As a British couple renovating a small villa on the Greek island, we've had to learn to adapt to suit local cultures and lifestyles.
It's been nothing but positive for us, and last week we told the story of how our little YouTube channel attracted the attention of the press, who spoke to us about the siga, slowly approach to renovating in Greece. Today we dig a little deeper.
The lifestyle in Greece has historically attracted criticism about the pace being slow because the people are supposedly lazy. But from what we have seen, that's just not true at all.
You'll read articles portraying Greeks in a negative light and suggesting that they don't work hard enough, but that couldn't be further from reality.
The truth is, Greeks actually work more hours annually than any other European nation. They just work differently, and from what we've seen, much smarter.
A typical workday starts early, sometimes before 7 a.m. You'll have to queue up to be served in a hardware shop as people stock up on materials for the day ahead. Then, after a few hours, when the sun is really hot, they take a proper break.
It's not laziness, it's common sense. And it's how Greek families have done things for generations, putting family, food and community first, without letting the work suffer.
One thing that really stood out to us when we started spending more time in Greece was how the middle of the day was sacred.
Work starts early, but come lunchtime, everything just stops. Shops close, shutters come down and streets go quiet.
Our neighbours next door run a car body workshop. Like clockwork, they down tools at around 1 p.m, but they're not done for the day, far from it. They're just having a reset.
What happens in those 2 or 3 hours is something we've come to love, and honestly, we're quite envious of it.
Long family lunches around the table, a nap if you need one, time to sort things out or even do something just for yourself. A quick swim, coffee in the sunshine, a workout. It's not wasted time, it's actually living.
Then around 4:30 or 5 work picks back up, but without that burnt out feeling we're so used to back home.
You actually enjoy your work more when you've had a few hours to switch off. Spend time with people who really matter. Just breathe for a little bit. Looking through there, seeing the orange on the tree with the blue shutters and the lovely white wall behind with the sun shining, late evening sunshine on it. Oh yeah, it just looks perfect. I love this time of day. Let's get this grass finished.
Our neighbours have 4 generations all living under one roof. Dionysus speaks great English and is about our age, and he's always popping over to see what we're up to.
He'll come over and say things like, enjoy your time, slowly, or just tomorrow. At first, we thought it sounded like a bad idea, but now we understand that concept.
There's real wisdom in those words, a reminder that the work will still be there, but the time with the people you love won't wait.
Slowing down doesn't come naturally to us, but over time, we've learned to appreciate it, and actually, it helps us get more done, not less.
If you're watching from somewhere else, how do people structure their day where you are? Is there room for a rest and family time in the middle of the day? Or is it all go? Drop us a comment and let us know.
At first, we didn't know how to just stop. We'd tell ourselves, let's just get one more job done. But it never ended there.
We had to force ourselves to leave the house. Otherwise, we'd just keep finding things to do. The trick for us is getting away from the house.
Now, we'll just pack up a bag, drive a few minutes to the beach, and give ourselves permission to do absolutely nothing.
The sound of the waves and the warmth of the sun. We usually find ourselves fast asleep within minutes, but it's the best rest we've found.
As we head back into town, there's this lovely moment where everything starts coming back to life. Hardware shops lifting their shutters, queues of people gathering again. It's like pressing play on a day ahead, but with fresh eyes and a new energy.
Here are some snippets from us and the others mentioned all in the interview, and this is what it's really about. Not just doing up a house, but learning a better way to live.
It's the core Fiat way to work hard every morning and then take the afternoon off. Greek builders are far from lazy. They start at 7 a.m. and work through to 2:30 p.m. and always work Saturdays. We work all morning, then down tools and head to the beach. She loves the slow pace and spends most of her time writing. Her latest book is called A Greek Island Gift. Of course, it will be a very different scenario when the team behind Amanda Holden and Alan Carr's renovation series rolls into town this summer for a new edition of the hit BBC show. The pair will dust off their boiler suits and hard hats in Corfu when they transform a rundown property for Amanda and Alan's Greek job. No doubt sampling the local beaches and tavernas after wielding a sledgehammer. We've had to completely rewire how we think about time, about work, and about having a rest, but we wouldn't change it for anything. In fact, I reckon we've stumbled onto something most of us are missing back home.
We still get the work done, but now we actually take time to live as well, and that changes everything.
So we'll leave you with this. Could you do this too? Could you slow down, even just for a little bit, and live more deliberately?
Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear how you balance work and life where you are in the world.
And if you are dreaming of this kind of lifestyle on this island and you're looking for a property of your own, you'll definitely want to join us next week as we explore some properties that are currently up for sale on the beautiful island of Zante.
Thanks for watching and see you soon.
Bye.